Tona ya maloba o baya dintlha tsotlhe mo pepeneneng.
I would never come here and lie to you. I will never come here and make this place a place where I come and share anecdotal jokes with you as if we are here to play.
Dlodlo o ganeditse gore ga go nna le ditsiboso ya matlhale e reboletsweng SAPS kgotsa lephata la National Joint Operation le Intelligence Structure gareng ga tse dingwe go netefatsa gore ba tshola maemo a le ka fa tlase ga taolo.
Between March and July 2021, we issued 11 alerts. And I don't think I need to go through all of these orange alerts, but they had to do with the Constitutional Court issue that related to the former President Jacob Zuma, where permission for protest had not been granted by the JMPD.
Me o ne a tlhasela modira mmogo nae tona ya sepodisi Kete ya totobetseng ka gore ga ise a newe ke opepegelo ya matlhale.
It is grossly unfair for any minister or any other structure to come or to go publicly and malign the men and women at state security that work so hard. I'm not saying that people who don't work so hard, there are many who don't. But equally, there are many who put their lives at risk.
Me o tsweletse jana.
But you know, sometimes it just gets a little exasperating that people will say we never got intelligence when certain things were just happening right in front of your eyes and you could have stopped them.